nono machiegni nyinga Milton Ochieng. Jalup jatend piny Rigathi Gachagua osingo matiyo achiel gi kanisa mar Katholik e chenro mar kedo kod kuong ma ok opuodhi gi yedhe mamero ji. Koloso tich adek bang' romo gi Archbishop Abatus Van Megen e od jalup jatend piny mayudore Kadak ma Karen, Gachagua nowacho ni gimedo kawo okang' motegno mondo mi gigeng' ne rowere kod tiyo gi yedhe mamero ji. E wi mano bende, Gachagua nopako kanisa ma Opere e chenro ma kanisano mar bero thieth gi somo e pacho ka, kowacho ni gimedo kwan mag kuonde mag yudo thieth to gikonyo jopiny mathoth. Gachagua bende nokwayo kanisano mondo med siro chenro mag piny owacho.
President and yourself, we are here first of all to serve those who are most in need, and most in need of our citizens. And I think that is very important that we keep that in mind. And I think, as you also mentioned, if we can further intensify this kind of cooperation and meet and see and to find solutions to this. I also appreciate very much, by the way, the situation in which the government finds itself because of the debt crisis, in the sense that is one of the reasons why we find it difficult to come over the bridge, so to say, to pay with NHF and so on. But still, somewhere we have to find a solution. We cannot just wait and see and think, okay, where is this ship going to strand?
We want to take this opportunity to appeal for the government in this country to join the government in that effort, because government cannot succeed alone. There is a moral issue about it, there is a mentorship issue about it, and we wish the church can also come in and join us in terms of advocacy, in terms of mentoring the young people, in terms of informing the population the negative effects of the drugs and substance abuse, so that we can have a healthy young population, which is very instrumental in the development of this country.